Hi. In this video we will talk about digital wallets. I'm sure you will find this video useful. Enjoy. Moonbaby YouTube channel. Enjoy anytime and anywhere. Subscribe for more. What is a digital wallet? A digital wallet is a financial transaction application that runs on mobile devices. It securely stores your payment information and passwords. These applications allow you to pay when you're shopping using your device so that you don't need to carry your cards around. You enter and store your credit card, debit card, or bank account information and can then use your device to pay for purchases. Digital wallets can also store gift cards, membership cards, loyalty cards, coupons, event tickets, plane and transit tickets, hotel reservations, driver's license, identification cards, car keys. How a digital wallet works. Digital wallets are applications designed to take advantage of the abilities of mobile devices to improve access to financial products and services. Digital wallets essentially eliminate the need to carry a physical wallet by storing all of a consumer's payment information securely and compactly. Digital wallets use a mobile device's wireless capabilities like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and magnetic signals to transmit payment data securely from your device to a point of sale designed to read the data and connect via these signals. Currently, the technologies used by mobile devices and digital wallets are QR codes. Quick response codes are matrix barcodes that store information. You use your device's camera and the wallet's scanning system to initiate payment. Near-field communication. NFC is a technology that allows two smart devices to connect and transfer information using electromagnetic signals. It requires two devices to be within about 1.5 inches from each other to connect. Magnetic secure transmission. The same technology used by magnetic card readers that read your card when you swipe it through a slot on a point of sale. Your phone generates this encrypted field that the point of sale can read. The card information you've stored in your wallet and choose to use for a transaction is transmitted from your device to the point of sale terminal, which is connected to payment processors. Then, through the processors, gateways, acquirers, or any other third parties involved in credit and debit card transactions, the payment is routed through the credit card networks and banks to make a payment. Because cryptocurrency has made its way into the financial system, companies like BitPay invented cards that let you pay with cryptocurrency. Digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay allow you to add a BitPay debit card. The BitPay card converts cryptocurrency to dollars at the current market value, which your wallet then uses to pay for your purchase. Types of digital wallets. There are several digital wallets available. Here are some of the most well-known. Cash App, Apple Pay, Google Wallet, Samsung Pay, PayPal, Venmo, Alipay, Walmart Pay, Dawala, Vodafone M-Pesa. Most wallets attempt to distinguish themselves from their competitors using different methods. For example, Google's digital wallet service allows you to add funds to the wallet on your phone or device. Then, you can spend this cash in-store and online at businesses that accept Google payments. On the other hand, Apple entered into a strategic partnership with Goldman Sachs to issue Apple credit cards and expand its Apple Pay services. Advantages and disadvantages of digital wallets. One of the most significant advantages of digital wallets is that using one limits the amount of financial and personal information you need to carry as you go about your day. If you place everything in your digital wallet, you no longer need to carry physical cards or a physical wallet. There is no chance of a card falling out of your wallet or of leaving your card in the ATM slot. Additionally, you can't lose your entire wallet. Digital wallets do not require a bank account at a bank with a physical branch. Instead, you can place your funds in an online-only bank, which gives unbanked and underbanked communities access to financial services, therefore enabling broader financial inclusion. Security might become an issue if you use a digital wallet from a provider that hasn't been vetted or doesn't have an established reputation. If your phone isn't password protected, you risk giving someone else access to your finances if you lose your phone. Additionally, there might be local businesses you prefer to shop at that don't yet have a point of sale that accepts this technology. And now, the answers to a few basic questions. What is a digital wallet example? Google Pay and Apple Pay are some examples of more well-known digital wallets. Both services allow you to access your financial products through your devices and make purchases. Is PayPal a digital wallet? PayPal is a peer-to-peer payment and money exchange platform, but it has a digital wallet included in its app. Do I need a digital wallet? You don't necessarily need a digital wallet. However, they offer a convenient way to pay for your purchases because you don't have to carry credit and debit cards around. This also increases card security, You can't lose your cards if you don't carry them. These are the most important aspects of digital wallets. We will talk about crypto wallet on another occasion, in another video. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with others who you think might need this information. See you next time. Bye.